A smile can change the world.
Smile can make you beautiful.
Smile, it makes your day.
You're never fully dressed without a smile.
We help you to improve your smile.
Welcome to SDM College of Dental Sciences. We believe in spreading smiles.
Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara College of Dental Sciences and Hospital was established with a vision to provide a comprehensive dental education encompassing knowledge, skill and attitude. In SDM, quality is always in the forefront, be it teaching, research or patient care.
Sri Manjunatheshwara College of Dental Sciences was established in 1986 with an independent presentation. Normally the colleges were attached to medical, but we started a college with independent existence. Today I am very proud to say that we have presented one of the best doctors to the world, and our dentists have established themselves throughout the world, and they are known for their quality, upright living style and also service. I wish that in the future we will also produce some of the best dentists and present them to the country.
SDM College of Dental Sciences is one of the premier dental colleges in the country. It boasts of excellent infrastructure, dedicated and highly qualified faculty members and very good patient inflow. This institution has been accredited by NAAC with A grade 3 times and has been ranked in the top 10 in our country.
My passion to be a dentist has found a great match in SDM College of Dental Sciences. I am aided in my learning by the most professional staff. The insight that they provide, along with the humanistic outlooks that they inculcate in us, is absolutely outstanding.
This college has a wonderful synergy between faculty and students who are curious, inquisitive, and thirsty for knowledge, with an unquenching urge to move beyond the books. We come up with solutions for oral healthcare issues through continuous research and innovation.
I always knew that SDM College of Dental Sciences was amongst the top ranked dental colleges in Asia. So when I got admission here, it was like a dream come true. Here, I got an opportunity to study with some of the brightest minds from all across our nation.
The well-planned, wonderfully stacked and welcoming library at the SDM Dental College, with its huge collection of books, journals and study materials including e-books and e-journals of repute, is a boon to the learners.
This college has provided me with an enriching clinical experience because of the huge volume of patients' inflow combined with the state-of-the-art dental technology. I am a proud student of SDM College of Dental Sciences, pursuing my Masters in Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics. I have found a wonderful confluence of professionalism in all key aspects of dental sciences in this college. The service-oriented approach to academics prevalent here has not just made me a doctor, but a doctor with a humanitarian outlook.
Hostels at SDM are specially planned to give comfort and coziness, so that at the end of the day, students are rejuvenated and are ready for another bright day.
SDM is truly an international community with varied mix of students. Exposure to different people, different cultures will make you more sensitive, will make you more receptive and more open-minded.
Choosing SDM means choosing quality, choosing values, choosing to be truly global. Be a dental professional of excellence.